Hello friends. So we have a question on vectors chapter. We are given a vector A which is 12 minus 5, or we also can write it as 12 I cap minus 5 j cap. Basically I cap and j cap are for the x and y axis. And the modulus B is 15. Now we can also find the modulus of A, which will be root under 12 square plus minus 5 square, that will be root under 169 or 13. Now we have to identify the possible ranges of A plus B. Now the modulus of A plus B is nothing but modulus of A square plus modulus of B square plus 2 times modulus A modulus B into cos theta. Now to maximize or minimize this, the only thing we can vary is this theta, because modulus A and B are constant. Now the maximum will be when theta is equals to 0, and minimum will be when theta is equals to 180 degree or pi. So in this case the maximum will be modulus of A plus modulus of B, which will be 28. And when theta is 180 degree, that means they are both the vectors are in opposite directions. So the minimum would be modulus of A minus modulus of modulus A minus modulus B, which will be 2. So we know the modulus of A plus B varies from 28, less than 28 and greater than equals to 2. Now let us move on to the B part. In the B part, it is given that A plus B is minimum. So we already know it is minimum when the angle between them is pi or 180 degree. That means they are in the opposite direction. So we have to find the value of P. P is A vector plus B vector. Now we know A vector can be written as modulus of A into A cap. A cap is the direction of A vector. Now B is in the opposite direction of A, that means B can be written as modulus of B into A cap, but in the opposite direction. So this will be modulus of B A cap. So P will be equals to modulus of A minus modulus of B into A cap. Modulus of A is 13, modulus of B is 15, and A cap can be identified as 1 by 13 into the direction of A, which will be 12 and minus 5. You know, suppose A is xi cap plus yj cap, so A cap is xi cap plus yj cap divided by modulus of A, that is x square plus y square. So A cap is nothing but A vector divided by modulus of A. This is what we have used here. So P vector is minus 2 by 13 into 12 minus 5, or this can be written as minus 24 by 13, and in the next it will be plus 10 by 13. You can further simplify it to get your answer. That would be minus 1.85 and 0.169. Now let us move on to the C part. In the C part, we have to identify a vector Q such that modulus of Q is equals to modulus of B and Q is perpendicular to A. So let us assume the Q vector as given in the question x, y, and it is given that the modulus of Q is equals to modulus of B. And for identifying a vector, we know we need one thing as the modulus, and another thing we need is the direction of Q vector. So the direction of Q vector is given in the question as perpendicular to A vector. What is A vector? A vector is 12 minus 5. So if A is perpendicular to Q, you can think of Q dot A equals to 0, and hence 12x minus 5y will be equals to 0, or from here you can see x by y will be equals to 5 by 12. Now you know the direction of q vector or q cap can be identified as 5, 12 into 1 by 13. This will be the direction of q vector. So the q vector will be equals to modulus of q into q cap, and the modulus of q is 15 and q cap is 1 by 13 into 5, 12. So further simplifying this, we will get 75 by 13 and 180 by 13, or this can further be simplified as 5.77 and 13.8. So this is your q vector. For more such questions, do visit our website www.iitnacademy.com and register for detailed explanations and